Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like A series, Gem series, F series, whatever series you are using of Samsung Android smartphone. If your phone is locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password lock, then after hard reset or factory data reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome pop-up, language option, start button and emergency call button. So let's check after factory data reset, either your handset has been unlocked or not. So go through all the steps, whatever is showing on your Samsung phone. One more thing I'd like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here, I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. So after that, when we will go to the next option, you will switch to again this page where the Gmail, where the pin pattern or password is again asking. But here you can see you are getting here another option that is showing use my Google account instead. Simply you have to tap on this option. It will switch to this page where your Gmail ID and password is asking. This page is known as FRP page, and this lock is known as FRP Lock, which is generated by Google to secure your smartphone when your phone is stolen. Okay. So here you can see you are not getting any skip option on this page. If you go through the next option, it's not let you go to the next page. Okay, so here in this video, I will tell you how you will get a skip option on this page. But if you have your Gmail ID and password, you don't need to get a skip option on this page. You can easily feed your Gmail ID and password and go to the next option. But this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who have forgotten their Gmail ID or password. So this video is totally dedicated for the FRP bypass method of Samsung Android smartphone. So let's start this video. Firstly, you will have to reach to the starting page here. Now, first of all, you will have to change the language. So here already it's showing English US. If you're getting here English India, firstly you have to change the English US, then after go to the OK. Now after that you have to tap on this emergency call option, and here you will have to dial *#0*#. When you will dial *#0*#, you will come to the next page where you will get a lots of options on your phone display. Simply you have to tap on this sensor option. When you will tap on this sensor option, you will get some synchronizing option on your phone display. But here you will get a gyroscope sensor. Simply you have to tap on this display option, and here you will have to wait until you get a 10 records on your phone display. Minimum 10 records, maximum there is no limit. So if you get 10 records on your display, after that you have to go to the back option and come to the starting page. So let's wait here. So you can see here the minimum 10 records has been appeared on my phone display. Simply you have to go to the back option and come to the starting page again. Now after that you have to tap on this start option, agree to all and go to the agree. Now after that go to the more, and you have to reach to the page what is showing here Wi-Fi network page. Now here you will get an option that is showing here add network option. Simply you have to tap on this one. Now after that you have to tap on this view more. Now here you will have to make some changes. First of all you have to tap on this one and go to the static. Now here you have to change this IP address setting. Simply you have to type here 999.0.222, and you have to repeat the same as it is. Here you will have to type the same as it is, whatever is showing in the display, and same as it is. Now all the settings here are done. Now after that you will get a setting option. Here you have to tap on this one. When you will tap on this one, first of all you will have to scroll down and reset all the setting of this setting page. Now go to the back option here. Now in this page, first after the reset all the setting, you have to come to the scroll up, and you have to here again change the language. Now here you will have to again switch on the English US and switch off this English India. Now go to the back option. Now after that you have to scroll down and come to the option that is showing here text shortcut. You have to tap on this add option. Now here you have to type that is FRP unlock code, and here you have to dial a USSD that is *999*0*163#. Copy this USSD. You have to type as it is in your this add shortcut option. Now after that you have to tap on this add option. Now go to the back, and the last setting you have to change, that is layout. And here you have to tap on this button and symbols, and you have to change from default to alternative and apply from here. When you will apply, you have to tap on this OK. It will switch to the previous page. Now go to the back and reach to the starting page again. Now after that, again you have to tap on this start option, go to agree to all and agree from here. Now here you will have to uncheck two options, that is showing here nearby devices. You will get two now after that, go to the agree and come to this page. Now after that, let's check either your phone has been FRP bypassed or not. Simply you have to tap on this next option. Now tap on this don't copy. So here you can see now you're getting here a skip option, where the skip option was not showing and your phone was locked due to FRP lock. Now you're getting here a skip option. Now you don't need to remember your Gmail ID and password. Now you can easily bypass this page from this skip option. Tap on this skip and skip anyway. Go to the accept. Now here you will have to make sure use a new pin pattern or password lock, whatever you want. So I am going to use a new pattern lock here, so you can use as your own. Go to the OK. Now after that is a simple setup of your handset you can do with your own, because the main thing is that your phone is FRP bypassed and now you won't stuck anywhere in this setup of your Samsung Android smartphone. So skip from here, finish, agree, done, select a language here, continue, gender, age criteria, continue, finish. So here you can see the Samsung Android smartphone has been completely pin pattern and password removed, and the main thing is that your FRP lock has been completely removed and bypassed. So if this video helped you to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone, and if your smartphone is also unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if you stuck anywhere in this method, then make us comment. Our team will definitely respond and help you on this method. Thank you so much.